All right, guys. Good evening. Welcome back to another trade analysis session. My name is Chooks. Sorry, guys, I've not been able to do videos to review the market, for you guys for a very long time. So today, excuse me. So today, I'm going to do a review of some of the trade setups we had last week. I posted some trade setups last week. Some of you who were with me the last 2 weeks ago when we did a review. I shared my thought process. Okay, this instrument is Euro USD, Euro dollar. Okay, I'm on the daily time frame. So, guys, this was my setup. Okay, so the setup was that I was able to chart price along this ranging path. Along this ranging path. Okay, I use break of structure. Advanced market structure strategy here. That if market breaks this structure, because this was the previous high, if there's a candle close above this level, that's a break of structure, and a retest of structure, then the market goes up. Boom. So we won this trade. So guys, that was a huge one. So if you take your measurement tool here, crosshair to measure the number of pips, you'll see we did about what do you call it, about 118 pips. Okay, in price movement there. Okay, so we won this trade. Okay, so AU, okay, ANZ, okay, Aussie, New Zealand dollar. Okay, so what we did here was that we actually lost this trade. Okay, so guys, that is the reality of trading. You win some, you lose some. Okay, so actually we lost this trade. We're angling for price to break, to get resisted here. You know, um, the other thought process we had here, which I also shared with some of you who were there, was that if there's a break of structure above here, the market was going to go up, okay? But I said that this one was an option. Should it not break structure, it will come down, okay? But if it broke structure, the market is going to continue. If there's a BOS, the market is going to continue. So this was the structure that was broken here, and this candlestick here closed above this structure, and so this market should continue to the upside. Okay, so those of you who know advanced market structure will know that if you be following this market, you should buy. You should buy this market. Okay, after there's a confirmed break of structure. Okay. All right, so technically we lost it, but if I were to trade advanced market structure, I will buy this market. Okay. All right, so these are the setups for last week. So today I'm going to start with you know pound dollar. Okay, I'm going to start with pound dollar, guys, to review what this market is going to do for the week. Okay, so guys, this is the chart for pound dollar, and we'll start from the weekly time frame. Okay, let's start from the weekly time frame. Okay, I think there was a setup here. Let me check, guys. Let me check if there's a setup. If I marked up this trade, let me see. Did I mark it up? Okay, not a problem. So let's delete every markup on this trade, on this setup. Let's delete every markup, guys. Okay, and just start afresh. Okay, all right. Okay, so guys, I want you guys to benefit from what I'm going to do so that you will learn. Okay, all right. So what do we have here? We have a market structure from the weekly time frame. That is in an uptrend. Okay, so let's look at advanced market structure. So let's take the market from here. Don't go too far, guys. Don't go too far. Start from here is good enough. Sometime let's see the date. This date is where, let's start from September 2022. Okay, fine. Okay, so from September 2022, the market structure is uptrend. Okay, now, but there's a change of character here, guys. I'll tell you what I mean. Okay, there's a change of character. This was a this was a swing low. All right, this was a swing low here, guys. Okay, so let me just increase the thickness of this line. Okay, so this was a swing low here, guys. All right, this was a swing low. Okay, now let's um let's copy this. Okay, so you can see that the market, the market apparently broke structure here to the downside. Okay, but it has not been able to create. It has created a higher high. Okay, this is a higher low. Okay, now there's a change of character here. Okay, because the market actually came and broke structure here to the downside. This was the previous swing low. Okay, so there's a change of character here. So what we need to be doing is to continue to monitor this market. Okay, if the market is able to develop another low, breaking this structure here, guys, this advanced market structure, most of you may not understand it. Okay, but if you do, just hang on and follow what I'm doing. Okay, so we'll just look at it from that perspective. So, but what we have here now is that there's a change of character. So the market has, started, going down. Okay, because the previous low have been broken. Okay, some people may argue that this is the current structure. Okay, people may argue this. Okay, which is still valid. Okay, all right. So this low has not been broken, so the market is still in an uptrend. Okay, so let's just take that as it is, that the market is still in an uptrend. Okay, until we see a further breakdown of structure. Right. So the market is an uptrend. Okay, another simple way to determine that is to use a trend line tool. Okay, so here you can see that the market is obviously in an uptrend. Okay, so when we drop down to the daily time frame, okay, depending on where you want to pick your entry. Okay, most of you know that I'm a swing trader. I like taking my trade from the daily time frame or the 4 hour time frame. Okay, guys, so this is what the market is doing. So what do we do from here? Excuse me, let me grab some water. All right, so what do we do from here? Excuse me. If you look at what this market is doing, okay, clearly is in an uptrend. Okay, the market is in an uptrend. So there's a what? There's a broke of range here, and I'll show you what I mean. The market broke out of this range. All right, the market has broken out of this range, okay, and has continued, and is going to continue in that uptrend. Okay, so if you look at it, the market was uptrending, entered into a consolidation, broken out of the consolidation. This is the breakout candle. Okay, we may rearrange this, guys. We may rearrange this to look like this. All right, okay. So in that case, this is a breakout candle. This is a confirmed breakout. So you can see that this market may likely continue, in an uptrend. Okay, so let me just zoom out on this chart and see. Okay, when you zoom out on this chart, you can see that the market is most likely going to continue going up. Okay, this is a level it's coming to test. After this level, it's coming to test this other level here to the upside. Okay, so that's what we have for this. So we expect the market to do what? Expect the market to possibly pull back to structure, okay, and do what? And continue the upward trajectory, okay? All right, so let's see how we can perfect this markup here. Let's see how we can perfect the markup here. So guys, what we need to do here is this. Let me duplicate this, all right? So duplicate this. Let me remove this and make this black, okay? So that we can set it into that structure, okay? All right, fine, okay? So this is what the market is doing. We've seen a break of structure. Okay, we expect this market to continue to the upside. Okay, so when you look at this candlestick, guys, we're going to look at pure market structure, okay, or pure price action. If you look at this candlestick, you see that this candlestick is clearly indicating the dominance of the bulls here. Okay, but however, there's some slight rejection, okay, by the bears, okay. So, but this rejection is not a very strong one because you can see that but the momentum that the bulls, put into the market was quite overwhelming, okay. So chances are that this market may still continue, the upward trajectory, okay. So what are we going to do here, okay? Now, if you don't see a clear price action, we can drop down to the 4-hour time frame, okay. We can drop down to the 4-hour time frame and look at what the market is doing. Okay. All right. So when you drop down to the 4-hour time frame, okay, guys, look at what I want to see. I want to see market clearly come back to this here, to this level. That's the structure, okay, and you know, go up. Okay. So now where are you going to target? Where are you going to target to be your take profit? Okay. You can just zoom in or rather zoom out on the chart and look for previous levels, okay. Okay, let's look for previous levels. All right, so when you look for previous levels, you can see that this is a potential level. This is another potential high, okay. So these are the levels price may ultimately come to test. So let's target these two levels. So you zoom in, okay, zoom in on the chart again. All right, so we're going to target those two levels. Target here as our take profit, okay. So now let's look at how possibly this market may retrace, okay. The Fibonacci retracement will help us to gauge that level of retracement. So you take this swing low to the swing high to gauge your retracement, okay. Okay, so for a shallow retracement, you can see the price can retrace into Fibonacci 38.2, which is a very strong level, guys, okay, for shallow retracements, okay. Shallow retracement. So we're going to watch out for this market, guys, in the coming days, okay, and see how it will unfold, okay. See how it will unfold, okay. All right, so we're hoping to take profit here, okay, and when it pulls back the structure, they will begin to look for opportunity, to enter the market, okay. So guys, what are we looking for here? We're looking for buy opportunity, okay. So let's look for buy opportunity. Let's say buy trade opportunity. All right. Looking for buy trade opportunity. Okay. All right. So let's mark up this chart properly. This is GU. Okay. So this is Great British Pound USD. Okay. This is on the 4-hour chart. Okay. So we expect this to happen. All right, just watch me and see what I'm going to do, guys. This is how you tidy up your chart markup, okay? All right, so buy trade opportunity, okay? Wait for price to pull back to structure, okay? Then you look for buy opportunity here. What are the, candlestick triggers or signals that you'll be looking at for here? Okay, pin bars or the umbrella candle, lines, okay? The umbrella candle lines, such as the hanging man, okay? The hanging man, all right? Um, hanging man, which other pattern? Okay, I look for bullish engulfing, okay? Look for bullish engulfing, or I look for piercing line, okay? These are bullish reverse candlestick patterns, okay? So I look out for them here, okay? So this is a ranging structure, and this is where the market is expected to pull to structure, okay. So guys, I'm going to I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to copyright these charts. Okay. Okay. This is truths. Okay. This is my chart. If you draw your chart, make sure you copyright it. Okay. So that you know, nobody steals your innovation. Okay, guys. So this is 10/03, 2024. Okay. Put it at 8. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So this is what we expect this market to do. Okay. So guys, that's all I have for you for this particular trade analysis. Okay. So I would look out for other opportunities at EJ. Okay. See what the market can do here at EC. Okay. And NJ. So I will see if there are other opportunities here. But guys, I don't want this video to be long. So thank you very much, guys. Until I see you, keep cool and learn how to trade properly. Okay. Bye bye.